So guys, we can start now. And we were at the...
जी sir.
Wait. Something has gone wrong. Just give me a moment. Okay, here it is. So we finished the first part and we were at the second part, right?
जी sir.
Okay. So you can start now. Please carry on.
Mention about at least a character with details of gesture, speech, performance, expression, emotion, whom you have seen repeatedly appearing in the festival. Kalisi is obsessed, possessed local deity, mostly goddess, is a very common character whether it's Jhamu Jatra or Dandanato. Devotees or performer who is very strict in their fasting or other pious activities, sometimes they also get possessed. Both Dandanatak and Jhamu Jatra is led by a Kalisi. It can be both male or female. Kalisi wears a red sari garland specially made with hibiscus flower and holding a bunch of sticks. Her forehead mostly colored with sindur. Kalisi speaks in a very unusual and possessed manner. Mostly all devotees comes with their problems and ask Kalisi for solution or help. Sometimes she cry when her devotee, if she is in very bad or difficult situation. If Kalisi feels strong, she gets angry and scolds their devotees. Kalisi offers her blessings with water or vicious flowers wear. Sometimes when Kalisi is highly possessed by deity, she screams, work with heavy footsteps. Usually Kalisi always in a swing manner. When deity leaves her body, she faint or lost sense.
Yeah. Okay. Pragya, could you please read the question once again? And let us see where things are going wrong. It says mention about
Sir,
at least.
थोड़ा सुने नहीं भी.
अच्छा, अभी आवाज आ रही है?
जी सर, जी सर.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि एक बार क्वेश्चन को दोबारा पढ़ते हैं and then let us try and understand where things have gone wrong, maybe, you know. So the question says mention about at least a character at least, with the details of gesture, speech, performance, expression, emotion, whom you have seen repeatedly appearing in the festival. Now, I think you're not 100% wrong when you have mentioned what the Kalisi character. But Kalisi character is, I think, what you have written and what I gather from it is a part of the festival,
जी
right?
सर.
It's a
जी
function
सर.
of the festival, and not कि एक उस festival में attend करने वाले लोगों में से एक character नहीं है.
जी जी जी.
जबकि question पूछ रहा है उस function को attend करने वाले जो लोग होते हैं, उनमें से कोई एक character जो कि हर साल आता है और जो कि रंगीन character है, जो कि interesting character है.
जी सर, समझा थोड़ा.
Yeah. So there it is where you have kind of gone a little wrong.
जी सर.
So you have to be very careful. इसका in fact, let's say by chance English में नहीं समझ में आया, they will always be the question will always be mentioned in Hindi as well. You know, you can try and read the Hindi part also and try to then get at what exactly the question is asking for.
जी सर.
In fact, Pragya, give 1 minute extra for the question.
I would say not even one, I would say give 3 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. Give 3 minutes extra.
If you don't understand question, what you're going to write will be different.
Yeah. So, and everything will go wrong, right? So understanding the question is the most important thing in this process.
जी सर.
Right? So I think you may have to rewrite this part, maybe.
जी सर, जी सर.
And
Exactly.
see
एकदम
now,
clear.
you know, yeah. So that's a very important thing. Okay, so let's move forward then, maybe.
Create a small narrative situation of interest, including dialogues and other necessary details around the festival. It can be based on two events also. During Pona Sankranti festival, a special drinks which made of boiled banana and milk with added marijuana, but most people believe that their drink has nothing to do with marijuana. But secretly, in the preparation of Pona, the drink they add little marijuana. Once, a group of young boys made a teenage boy drink that mixed pana. Just after 2 hours, it started showing its effect. Suddenly the teenage boy get up and said, Mama, why I'm running? Hold me. When he starts to work, which barely he able to do, said, Arey, I'm trying. Then some boys of that group takes care of him. Marijuana in Pona Sankranti is also used as antidote.
Okay, so this is nice, very nice, but थोड़ा छोटा है.
जी सर जी
थोड़ा
सर.
इसको इलाबोरेट करना चाहिए था. वो जो लड़का है उसका नाम क्या है? पहले तो उसका नाम दो, ठीक है, एंड
Yes, sir.
उसको इलाबोरेट करो. उसकी तो और क्या होता है? वो जो दूसरा बंदा उसको संभाल रहा है, क्या वो भी वो ड्रिंक पिया हुआ है?
जी
And
सर.
if he is also
This could have been a
drunk,
very interesting dialogue situation when people,
right,
one
right,
is drunk and another one is also a little bit drunk.
yeah, and so he's interpreting something else only, you know.
जी सर.
So you created a very interesting situation, but थोड़ा छोटा में ही कुछ निकलते निकलते में ही रह गया.
सर एक्चुअली ट्रू इंसिडेंट है और थोड़ा एलाबोरेट भी करना चाहिए सर.
हाँ, अभी
जी सर.
देखो एक और इंटरेस्टिंग बात यहाँ पे. अब वो कह तो रहे हैं कि इट कुड बी अ ट्रू इंसिडेंट, राइट, बट तुमको ऐसा नहीं कि तुमको कोई फॉलो करना. यू हैव टू आल्सो बैंक अपॉन योर इमेजिनेशन,
जी सर.
and which is where you are going to create something fantastic, you know? At times true
जी
incidents
सर.
are very interesting, but you always tend to add mirch and masala to that true incident to make it all the more interesting, okay? So don't miss out on that. So once again, don't jump into writing the
जी
answer.
सर.
Take a break, sit down, think about it कि क्या क्या add कर सकते हैं, है ना? And then you format the structure. So,
Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress. Recording in progress.
बंद कर लो भाई, ये किसका चल रहा है? पुरुषोत्तम विजयी.
यस सर.
बंद करो अपना. बहुत रिकॉर्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस चल रहा है अभी. वहां पर क्या है? ये डायलॉग कहाँ से आ रहा है सारा?
सर एक्चुअली मेरा लैपटॉप का कैमरा काम नहीं करता, इसलिए मैंने
so I think
चालू करो.
लॉग ऑफ फ्रॉम हियर.
अब ये जो रिवर्बरेशन आ रहा है, ये स्पेशल इवेंट साउंड आ रहा है, ये कोई एलियन 3 फिल्म नहीं चल रही, ठीक है?
I'm really sorry sir.
Creature of this planet and reading. Okay.
Now my camera won't work sir. Is it fine?
If your camera doesn't work, it's good. Let your
Okay,
sound
sir.
work only.
Okay,
so
okay sir.
before we carry on with Purushottam, Pragya, do you have any more questions?
प्रज्ञा, पूछना है, सोचना है, कुछ बोलना है?
जी सर.
बोलिए.
नहीं ऑनेस्टली सर अब तो कुछ दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है. अगर लास्ट में मैं कुछ अगर क्वेश्चन होगा तो जरूर सर क्वेश्चन करूंगी सर.
Okay, let's jump on to Purushottam then. Yeah, Purushottam, please start. Are you there, Purushottam? Can you hear me? मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Audio is unmute. Yes, mute his audio. He is trying to unmute probably.
Oh.
He will come. He knows that.
Yes sir. Sorry sir, I didn't know it was unmute. I was looking at the questions because I haven't written down the questions. I've just like written on only one line. The first question was about write about specificities in terms of audiovisual images, various elements of folk festivals, and the range of collective emotions expressed to the festivals. Why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? So this is the first answer. I'll start. I'm from Assam. The primary festival of Assam is Bihu. In mainland India, Bihu is only known as indigenous folk dance with Nasoni dancers with red blouse, golden mekhela chador, big bands decorated with mana instrument, bokul flowers. That being true, that is just a part of Bihu, Bohag Bihu. Actually, there are three kinds of Bihu that happens around the year: Bohag, and Bhogali. Bhog, derived from Hinduism, essentially means pleasure or delight. To conclude, after the green paddies of the rice have been turned golden, and crops have been reaped, a post-harvesting ceremony of Bhogali Bihu is celebrated during the bone-chilling winters of January. When steam is coming out of your mouth as you breathe and talk, and when the morning sun is shrouded by milky fog, and when people like a red-hot tea in their hands in the frigid morning. The day before Bihu, Tuka, young men erect makeshift towers in huts known as Meji and Bhelagar, respectively, with bamboos, leaves, and burning woods and hay during the day. At night, the women work on snacks of various flavors, taste, colors, and men organize a feast around the Meji, barbecue chicken, pork, Meji, barbecue chicken, pork, fish of all kinds.
Mhm.
People engage themselves, songs, dance, jokes, and talks around the bonfire and have fun, celebrate an end of yet another good harvest. They sleep their makeshift huts for the night after a night of eating and drinking, and wake up in the very early morning next day. They take bath and burn their respective belagors and majis and worship the fire god by offering chicken, pork, fish, then pithas, siras, has, rice beer, and play all kinds of traditional games and make merry. This is the first question.
So I think it's nice. But I'm just worried. Is it crossing 300 words limit? Purushottam?
So, sir, this question is around just by 10 or 20 words, sir.
Okay. Yeah. But otherwise, it's nice. You've very objectively, given the facts about the festival, and which is nice. I think.
Thank you, sir.
एक बार question पे क्या है question एक बार what exactly क्या है?
Sir, I haven't written the difference
Okay,
part. I
I'll
missed
read
out
that.
on that part.
Yeah. So write about the specificities in terms of audio visual image of various elements of the folk festival and the range of collective emotions expressed through the festival. Why do you think it is different from other similar festivals? This part, did you?
No, sir. I actually only focused on writing about the visual attributes and how the collective experience. I completely ignored this part.
Yeah.
Actually, it's my fault, sir.
Yeah. So you have to be careful. See, you never know. In fact, I think it is equally distributed. Marks, if it is a 10-mark question, the 5 marks will be for the first part and 5 marks will be for the second part. So first part you've written very well, very well. There's no doubt about it. But you will only, end of the day, you will only achieve 5 marks. So you have to be very, very careful about these things.
Yes, sir. I'll be careful with reading the question, sir.
Yeah. So, Tika, I think it's fine. I think let's move ahead. Same part.
Okay, sir, it's about mention at least a character with details of gesture, speech, performance, expressions, gesture, speech, emotions you have seen repeatedly appearing in the festival. So, number one, introduction: a fair girl of fair complexion, about 5'8" short hair, not so thin type physique. Gestures and speech. The girl wore mekhela chador and wrapped the green pashmina around her neck and worked around the stove making pithas, an Assamese delicacy. The area around the stove is hot and she was sweating. She wiped her forehead with her wrist, which was thin and seemed as if it was made of cotton. As if it was made of cotton, and there was a wristwatch on it. Her hands were smeared with pithaguri, powdered rice, but she grazed. I don't know. I have some graceful was spreading perfect, but she gracefully was spreading perfect round pithas on it like a dosa, but only much smaller in size. I'll read this line again because there was much confusion in this. The area around the stove is hot and she was sweating. She wiped her forehead with her wrist, which was thin and seemed as if it was made of cotton. There was a rich wristwatch on it. Her hands were smeared with agri, powdered rice, but she gracefully was spreading perfect round pithas on it like dosa, but much smaller in size. There was a little boy around, sitting nearby, looking carefully at the iron pen, at her immaculate style of making pithas. He smiled at him, asked him his name. Her sweet, high treble voice, she sounded like sweet, high treble voice like a girl. She started talking to the boy. The boy answered her questions sluggishly and fidgeting around with a timid smile. Performance and expressions. The boy seemed tense, so she decided to relieve him with a few hot, sweet pithas. She grabbed a handful, but her phone rang. She looked at it and she picked up the phone and asked who it was. A voice talked from the other side. Her face turned pale and her forehead frowned. She lowered her face and started with a calm and quiet, with stern and disapproving voice. You know you should be ashamed of yourself. You're drunk and you're calling me from a random stranger's phone, shouting at me to discuss things we already gone through. It's over. You don't love me. Don't call here. I'll tell my uncle if you do. She hung up and sighed. Her face grimaced with disgust. She dropped her hand on the bowl of the powdered rice and clenched her fist. She looked towards the place where the kid was sitting. It was gone. Her left hand was still holding the pithas. Motion. The call was from one of her hopeless romantic friends who fell in desperate love with her.
So could you scroll up the thing, please?
The girl was beautiful, and moreover, she carried herself around in a sublime, graceful manner. This guy was disturbing her for over a month now. She was disgusted and she felt uncomfortable. Again, she was alone in the night of Uruka, while the other girls were spending their Bhogali Bihu with their boyfriends and drinking and partying. She was and she was focusing on the roundness of pithas. She looked across the bonfires outside the house to go, and she saw a familiar face. She squeezed her eyes to take a better look. Then she heard a familiar male voice in his 20s. Her face turned red.
Acha, first things first, Purushottam, once again, give names to your characters whenever you're writing a story. Because right now मेरे साथ यही problem हुआ था कि I was finding it very difficult to understand what's happening, who's this character, the girl, the boy, how old is
Yes,
the
sir.
boy? I thought he was a small boy, and I don't know. I'm still confused if he was actually a small boy or a grown up one.
Sir,
And
the small boy left, and she heard a voice. He looked across the kitchen, and in the field there was bonfires, and everyone was
partying and dancing and yeah.
partying and dancing and talking. Even though there were elders, so she heard a voice. She
Okay.
looked and she thought she saw a familiar face, and she heard the voice, and now she's sure that that's the face she thinks he is. So
That's the face. Sorry, that's the face.
that's the face she thought. Um, I mean, whoever she saw, and she thought that she saw a familiar face. Now that voice has cleared her doubts that that is indeed the face she is thinking about.
देख पुरुषोत्तम, let me be very very frank. हाँ, अभी देख यहाँ पे ना it's a little too cluttered. समझ रहा है? मतलब थोड़ा सा confusion वाला area में ही घुस रहा है तेरी story. समझ रहा है? So it's a little difficult for me to understand things with clarity. What's exactly happening, right? And
Yes.
I may have to read it twice or maybe even thrice to understand what exactly are you trying to say. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to be very careful to not get into this kind of a trap. Make it simple. Make it simple because it should be conveyed, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Yes.
need not use all kinds of flowery language or all kinds of situation which is very very dramatic. Yeah. But rather you should go for a simpler narrative which is easy to understand at the very first go, and at the same time needs to be very very interesting.
Yes, sir.
So अभी तेरा characters थोड़ा interesting है, I can get that, but I may have to, if I'm checking the question answer sheet, I'm hard pressed on time. I have to check like 20 more in the next 1 hour. So I may not give all that time to go back to your story again. See that? I will
Yes, sir.
simply say, भैया पता नहीं क्या लिखा है. Let's say only 5 numbers, not the full one.
Yes,
Be
sir.
careful. Make it simple. So clarity of thought होना चाहिए पहले तो. So when you start writing, before you start writing, sit down and form the story here. एक बार यहाँ बन गया story, it will be very easy for you to write it down. So don't just immediately jump into the writing a story. Take your time, form the story here, make every connections whatever that you're trying to say, make it here, and then you proceed to writing the story.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right, in an organized manner.
Yes, exactly, and in a much more organized manner. Now, यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ है. I'm not too sure if it is the point wise that you have mentioned. Maybe that is also kind of taking away something from the story. I think, although point wise is a more preferred thing, but not really here when you are actually writing down a story.
Yes, sir.
So then
Definitely.
it is expected to be in the form of a story, and which is also a reason maybe it's a little uninteresting because हम लोगों को आदत है ना story पढ़ने का. A story will always have a beginning, middle, and end, right? A
Yes, sir.
story must have a conflict and of sorts. All those things that we have already studied in our school time, right? So let us maybe stick to a format, a simpler format, and convey our story in a very simple manner. Yet not giving away or not diluting or not compromising on your characters or the plot line. The plot has to be very, very detailed, maybe, or clear.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It's your presentation which needs to be simpler,
Yes,
not
sir.
the content, right? I hope I'm making sense.
Actually, in this question, in the previous classes, I was like, I used to, as Naresh sir has said, I used to beat around the bush. So he strictly suggested me that I should write in points. But since it's a
Okay.
story,
No, which is fine. But that, see, what he meant perhaps when he said beating around the bush is again the same thing. See, abhi yahan pe na, it's not a test of your English language, yeah, English ka understanding of layers of literature. You see that?
yes, sir.
You have to be very clear कि यहाँ पे तेरा motive क्या है, मुद्दा क्या है. This is like you're giving audition for a bigger role later on.
Yes,
So
sir.
audition में the terms and conditions are very different. यहाँ पे the terms and conditions are very different. Your idea is you should be able to convey your thing in a jiffy. The moment your reader starts reading, he is getting you exactly what you want to say. Which is when he will give you a better marks, and then which is when you will end up reaching FTI, right?
Yes,
So that
sir.
is the intention here. Okay?
सर
So,
मतलब जिसका मतलब इंग्लिश अच्छा हो और मतलब राइटिंग का स्किल्स है वो बहुत दिनों से लिख रहा है, लेकिन दूसरा एक भी बंदा है जो मतलब स्टोरी कंस्ट्रक्ट
no,
करना
राइटिंग का
चाहता है.
स्किल का कोई लेना ही देना नहीं है. राइटिंग स्किल कोई लेना ही, राइटिंग स्किल का मतलब फॉर्मेट तक और फॉर्मेटिंग तक सीमित है, but not more than that. What is important here is the content, the core content. What is your story? How interesting is it? And of course, writing से only इतना ही तक है कि how are you expressing your story?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
are
sir.
you using your imagination to create this aura, this world, and then how are you expressing that world in a simpler, digestible manner, such
sir.
that I don't need to go back again to read the story. See that?
Okay,
So,
sir. Clear.
Yeah. Okay, let's move ahead then. Naresh sir, if you have to add something, I don't know.
You can continue. Is fine.
Okay, sir. Sir, you'll have to scroll
Yeah.
up a little bit.
Scroll down.
Would you mind scrolling up a little bit for this question, Naresh sir?
Naresh sir, could you just take one? I'll just message him. I think he's lost. So apart from that, Purushottam, I think it's okay. You
Okay,
have
sir.
you have a good layering, like understanding. So understanding of layers is pretty well there, very much there, but not required here. It's just that. Make it
Layering is
simple.
not required. Is it what you
Right
said?
now in this situation.
Yes, sir. Yes, I understand.
Here the idea is something else. Here you have to crack the exam, the entrance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll have to be simpler and more refined.
Yeah, refined meaning simpler.
Yes, yes, I understand.
Instead of so what you have done is you created a sentence using, let's say, 12 words. You create the same sentence using 8 words. Is what you need to do in a simpler 8 words.
Okay.
Right? Naresh sir, are you there? Could you, Naresh, can you hear me?
I'll just drop a message on this chat here.
Okay, so maybe how much of it is?
30 is here, 30 is here.
थोड़ा ऊपर कर, उल्टा. I think.
I do have this question written on my Word, I think.
Okay.
If I,
so you can read it out.
You would not able to read it from here.
Which is fine. Which is
hear
fine.
my voice.
Which is fine. No problem. You can read it out.
Yes, just give me a minute. I'll have to find it.
I think Naresh sir is here.
Yeah, I'm very much here. Tell me what need to be done.
Oh, you have to scroll up, sir.
Okay, Shashank Jha will read. Fine. Please, carry on.
नहीं, उल्टा उल्टा. You पुष्टम का एक चीज मिस हो गया. ऊपर थोड़ा सा और ऊपर जाइए.
Sir, just you've gone too much. Just a little bit below. Okay. Sir, yes, sir. The right here. Perfect, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Write a scene. It's a write a scene about a character and with dialogues.
Yeah. Carry on.
Here I have mentioned points because like to create scenes and shots like that. It's around 7 p.m. Okay, I'll start. It's around 7 p.m. and I am trapped by the bonfire around the elderly. All the grandmas and grandpas are asking me all the questions they have left for almost 2 years. After all, they've seen me after so long time. My friends are over there at their own separate bonfire, barbecuing pork and drinking cheap Arunachal beer. The guys are singing songs and playing guitars. I was trying to find an excuse to leave, but that's when I saw Annekha walking gracefully towards our bonfire with a tray of teacups and some pithas. She was wearing lavender mekhela chador with a black blouse and a green pashmina dangling around her neck. Immediately, threw a look towards her bare white stomach. It's freezing. Isn't she cold? I thought to myself. She started circling around the bonfire, handing everyone teas and snacks, until she reached me, crouched down and asked me, her usual honey-laced hoarse voice, "Tumi keti ahila? When did you come here?" She left after handing me a cup and a plate of laddu. She smiled at her grandmother as she walked back to the kitchen. They had exactly the same smile. Finally, when I was with my friends, bringing Jolly Rogers with hot water and pork cubes, I saw her walking towards us. Every guy stopped and looked towards her because she looked like an actress from the 60s. But I wanted to stand out from the others, so I focused on pouring the drinks. Annekha was unburdened by that huge amount of attention. She adjusted her pashmina and took off her earrings. She found a seat and held her hand out to the fire. She looked at me and gestured, asking for a glass. I made her a new drink with less rum, as I knew she wasn't a big drinker. After some times, everyone asked her to sing a Bihu song. She had such a sweet voice that could make your ears bleed honey. And along with the quivering flame of the dying bonfire on that Marilyn Monroe hairdo of hers made me dizzy. I had too many drinks myself. Looked at her, looked at the watch. It was 2:30. After a couple of songs, she passed me her empty glass. I poured another drink to her, this time a little harder than the last peg. Instead of taking the glass, she got up and came towards me and almost whispered, "Wouldn't that be too much?"
Sir, scroll down karna, sir.
Wouldn't that be too much? I said, "I think you can handle another one." I insisted. After a while, some guys passed me the guitar. Alcohol kind of led me to sing some Radiohead and Chris Cornell. I sounded not so great, but I enjoyed singing. Nobody except for Annekha seemed to enjoy my music. She rocked her head back and forth. She asked for another drink, drink, but I told her that we ran out of alcohol. I handed her a breezer instead.
Hmm.
It was 4 o'clock, and we went inside the Velagor to sleep. There was 8 of us, 5 boys and 3 girls. Annika was still humming a Bhupen Hazarika song, and she lied on the warm hay towards one of the walls of the Velagor, while I and one of my friends went for a piss and came back with a bucket of water and poured it over the dying flames and the embers of the bonfire, so that the Velagor wouldn't catch fire with us inside.
Hmm.
We lit a cigarette and shared it. Then we went inside. It was warm inside the Velagor. I saw Annika sleeping at the end. There was Parikshit sleeping beside her. I didn't like Parikshit at all, and I could swear he was slowly creeping towards her like a snail. I didn't know what to do. I went towards them and pushed Parikshit aside and found some space and got in between them, just like I thought. He wasn't asleep. I gave her one last look. I gave one last look at her face. She was a rare beauty. And then I turned my back on her.
Okay. Now, once again, Purushottam, I think it's too long. It's not 300. It's almost double the assigned number of words.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to be. So this won't help you. So all this that वो होता है ना अंदर से कि मुझे बताना है मुझे इतना that will be actually create a more bigger problem for you. You know, it is not sticking to the requirement, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will immediately be like struck off. Right?
Mm-mm.
So you have to be very, very careful. You can't do this. This is wrong. You see that? You have to be like half the words may you have to convey your story,
Okay,
and
sir.
which is very I can see it can be done. It's not that it's difficult. It's just that you have written too much. You know,
Yes,
explained
sir.
too much.
I did too many details.
Yeah, it's more than double the size. So you can't do that. 300 words, matlab 300 words.
Yes, sir.
See,
It's
even
around
that is
500 words,
no,
sir.
it's I am sure it's much more than 500 words. But see, you have to understand, even that is a challenge. You know, the idea ऐसा नहीं कि वो 300 words ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. There's a reason behind that. That they want to assess if you can convey your story in a beautiful manner in the given limitation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's not that it's just they've mentioned it for the sake of mentioning it. They are actually assessing it. If you're capable of conveying your story, if at all you will be capable of making your film in that limited budget.
Okay, sir. Mm-mm.
So if you don't have that attitude, well, they're not interested in you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have to be very careful about that. Right?
Sir, I have a question. I have this habit of adding way too much details on stories. I like adding details. So how can I escape from that adding detail
I
thing?
think you have to practice a lot to
Okay, sir.
avoid getting into, like suddenly that Parikshit guy comes here. I don't know, I mean, like you never mentioned it earlier, and then suddenly in the end he comes.
Yes, yes.
So why was he needed? So you could have एक पूरा chunk तो ऐसे निकल जाता, right? End is beautiful. I like the end, the way you end it, but not in this
Scenario.
format.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
not in this scenario. So
Okay, sir. Okay,
be
sir.
careful.
Okay.
Okay, let's move forward. Jump on to the next. You have some questions? Anything? Purushottam?
Yes, sir. I have one question. Sir, I'm not very familiar with Indian cinema, and Indian cinema by mean I don't watch Bollywood because I had this idea that Bollywood films are not actually very great, especially the earlier years of 21st century. So I had this idea, so I started watching Indian films at all. But now that I'm trying to learn and preparing for FTI, so I came across lots of good directors, Satyajit Ray, and Satyajit Ray I knew before, like Shyam Benegal, Mrinal Sen, or Meera Nair, and Anand Gandhi, and etc. But I don't have very much strong idea about Indian cinema. So is it going to hamper me in some way?
I don't really think that is a very important criteria. Of course, you need to have that, the basic understanding needs to be there, definitely. And believe me, this is for all of us here. It's not that they want experts, They're taking it कि तुम expert नहीं हो, which is why you are coming to FTI, So it is not that you have to be an expert in knowing all of this, but yes, you have to have that basic understanding of how
Yes, sir. Yes.
what has been this journey of Indian cinema, all
Mhm.
throughout. It's been 100 years now. It's just not the 80s or 70s or 60s or 2000s and 90s films. The
Mhm.
entire 100 years, we have from Raja Harishchandra to whatever that we have made.
Mhm.
So you have to have that basic understanding of how the journey has happened, what has been that uniqueness about the Bollywood cinema or the scenario. What are these where is it coming from? What are the roots? So it is coming from our cultural background, the jatras and the other notankis and all the other folk forms
Mhm.
that we have
Yes,
had.
sir. Mhm.
And the roots are coming from, which is why all the song and dancing around the trees and everything that's missing in other
Other
world
films,
cinema
other world cinema.
scenarios,
Yes, sir.
right? But then it is a very important element here, so you can't really ignore that. Because why is it important? Because it's not just a Bollywood did not create that. This has been happening for thousands of years in our culture, right? So which is why it is there. So this understanding has to be there. That's it. Not and a couple of important filmmakers. You need to know about them. Couple of important filmmakers who were there in news in the last 1.5 years. That
Yes,
is
sir.
very
Yes, sir.
important. So
Mm-mm-mm.
this understanding has to be. You have to get to these things.
Yes,
And
yes.
yeah, I think that should be
Okay,
enough.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So should we jump on to the next question?
So Naresha needs to scroll up actually, I think.
Yeah. Naresh sir, you there? Sashank, right? Sashank, you.
Yeah, right. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall I read?
Yeah, or
Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's audiovisual images of the folk festival or collective emotions and differences from other festivals. The last part I did not cover. I could not get time, but the rest I'm just reading. This is description of Karma festival. This is a festival in Jharkhand, normally in August and or September. It's a harvest festival in Jharkhand and parts of adjoining West Bengal also. Parts of Chhattisgarh, in fact, also. Odisha also. So I just described it. It's a group scene of a village. A newly plucked Karma tree branch, Karma is a tree, of human length, is planted in the center of a public space. Fresh mud at the bottom of the tree. Lanky men, young and old, in white dhoti and naked from waist up, holding hands in a large circle. The inner circle consists of beautiful girls in white sarees with red borders. Beautifully done hair, flowers in every girl's hair, mostly white. The two circles move in rhythm, foot tapping front and back as the circle moves. Some men moving with the circle, beating drums rhythmically. The drum beat is infectious and would make one want to join the dance, which spectators do. The choral singing by the dancers is mellifluous and in rhythm with the drums. The drummers sense spectators' rhythm and vary the pace intermittently. Colorful ribbons emanate from each thatched rooftop to merge into one another. The ribbons create a shadowed roof for the dancers. Now, a group of men lays around drinking hadia. Hadia is a kind of rice beer and sprouted or steamed gram with salt and chili. They cheer the dancers and are generally happily rowdy. Old and young women sit on the ground with a pitcher full of hadia, selling at 10 rupees per glass. Very liberal with the free chana and chili. मेरे से थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करेंगे क्या?
नरेश सर थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करिए प्लीज.
Yeah, then very liberal with the free chana and chilies. Scattered bicycles in the background, some lying flat on the ground, of people who had paddled from the nearby villages. A man drunk and flat on the ground, holding tightly to the main rod of his bicycle, blabbering in a celestial language unknown to humans. This is the scene description.
Right. So अच्छा यार, I think it's very nice, very descriptive, very visual, and but yeah, I think a lot more of sound elements needs to be incorporated.
Sound element.
Yes.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, because see, when they are asked this question, it's not just visual, that they are interested in. is basically what they're coming at is कि that space, that space that is created, that world that is created during the festival. So that world is
Okay.
just not visuals. No, it's a lot of hangama. चारों तरफ कुछ हो रहा है, अल्लाह बुल्ला, that
Okay,
excitement,
okay.
that charm, that.
Okay,
So
okay.
all that needs to be a part of your description.
Right, right.
Because
Getting
without
it.
sound, you do not create that world without sound. Like sound is equally important, if not more, to the visual.
Okay. Sound कम था, इसमें सिर्फ drum था.
हाँ,
Okay.
तो sound से मतलब सिर्फ drum भी नहीं है. Sound से मतलब what are people?
All human sounds.
All kinds of sounds. Human sounds, drum sounds.
Okay.
Somebody laughing somewhere,
Okay.
somebody chattering, somebody just drunk and तो बच्चे उसको पत्थर मार रहे हैं, कुछ
Creating a
कर रहे हैं.
ruckus.
Yeah. So all that.
Okay.
See, वो समा बांधना important है.
Right, right.
Around that festival. See, it's not the festival that is important here, mind you. They're not
Right.
interested in what festival have you come up with. No. Maybe your the examiner, the copy checker must come. Maybe he's coming from Kerala and he doesn't even know karma.
Yeah, you're right, right. I understood. Yeah,
And
yeah.
so he's not interested in that. He's interested in is how have you created that world around this particular festival that you're talking about.
He's interested in the mahal.
Yes. वो माहौल तुम कैसे बांध रहे हो, वो important है उसके
Right,
लिए.
right.
And which is universal.
समझ
मतलब
गया.
anybody who's reading your mahal should get excited.
I got it.
Yeah.
I understood now. I will keep this in mind.
Yeah. And about the second part, by that is very important. You can't ऐसे आधा नहीं कर सकता ना. You have to give. So
No,
the
sir,
second
actually,
part,
I did not get time. मैं just 1 minute पहले भेज पाया था. It was just a
Oh.
lack of time. I would have done it, but वो time ही नहीं मिल पाया मेरे को.
okay, fair enough. But yeah, there during the examination you'll get what 15 minutes for this answer. I think so. I guess.
Okay.
So 15
Yeah, I know. I should have done it, but I just could not manage my time today.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. ठीक है. Let's move forward.
Second part. Second part, I was supposed to describe a character who frequents such kind of festivities.
Sorry, come
This
again.
is a.
Sajang, what did you say? Second
I
part.
was supposed to describe a character
Uh-huh.
and his emotions and everything who comes to visit such kind of festivals.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a young, lanky boy, about 25 in age, wearing a blue jean, dropping down from his waist, an extra wide leather belt notwithstanding. The excess length of the belt reaches down his thighs, the very large metal buckle wider than his waist, the 200 pockets in his jean, which is torn from all sides, the back pocket bulging with an oversized wallet, the front pocket bulging with a pack of beedi and a matchbox, long dark hair, shampooed and neat, falling down his shoulders, a half jacket, deep red in color with 2 waist pockets. The pockets are bulging with pan parag and a mobile charger, 2 pens in a chest pocket, very shiny clips hanging on to the pocket for their dear lives, a wide-screen mobile phone peeking out from his chest pocket as if to take a look around, 2 well-built naked arms protruding from his jacket opening, a thick steel bracelet on his right wrist, a large cheap watch on his left wrist, a silver chain hanging around his neck over the jacket, huge pair of shoes, Mididas brand, with miles-long laces tangled around itself. He walks tall and confident with a swag, especially after he is down with few glasses of Hadia. Always smiling with his white teeth contrasting against his dark-toned body. His right arm held up and resting against the back of his head whenever he converses with someone, an indication of his supreme confidence. He sits on his Honda motorbike watching the dance. He is happy and twitches his body sometimes to the beat of drums. The old lady selling Hadia nearby smiles as she hands him another glass. He is in the best state of a human being can be, happy. So that's it. This is the description.
Okay. Now, if I read out the question to you exactly, the
Right.
question says, this is second part, no?
Right, second part.
Yeah. So it says, mention about at least a character with details of gestures, speech, performance, expression, emotion, whom you have seen repeatedly appearing in the festival.
Right.
So I think what you have done here is just created the setting, a beautiful space that you've created. But the action part is missing, which is where the other elements will come into the picture.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So setting to world to space to create kar diya, but what's happening in that space? This guy, a young boy, ek to pehli baat to all of us here once again, name your boy. Right. Give a name to your boy, to your characters.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I think
So whoever it is, a local name will be even more better. Something which is very catchy, right? So this boy, he is in this space that you have said, you have created, and that you've beautifully detailed the boy. But what next? What about his expressions? His expressions be chalo, you have conveyed emotions. What about his emotions? What about his interiors? What's happening inside him? Is he smiling
right,
from
right.
outside but very sad and gloomy from inside? Or what has happened with him in the past? A hint of that. How then
Okay.
the speeches? How does he? How do is he interacting? Like यहाँ पे there is no dialogue that you mentioned, but
There's no dialogue. Yeah.
you have to have a couple
Okay,
of
okay.
lines, a line or two maybe here and there, because that's how that aspect will be then covered. That then the examiner will know, okay, what is how are you making him speak, right?
Right, right.
Then other
Okay.
whatever the question was, like emotion, expressions, performance,
Yeah, yeah.
how.
वो सब missing है.
So basically तुमने बनाया सब, वर्ड बना दिया, बट बाकी इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट जो उनको मिस कर दिया. So that is
Okay.
where it may not be a very. So you have to be very careful with it. At times we tend to get swayed away. होता है, हम
Hmm.
सबके साथ होता है. But you have to be very careful, भैया, कि इस बार का requirement क्या है? What are they
Right, right.
asking? What is it that they are interested in? So I may create Taj Mahal, but they're not interested in Taj Mahal.
Right, right, right. I understood your point.
So yeah, be very
Lots
careful
of things
about
missing in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'll keep
So
this in mind.
be careful when you are reading the question paper, is what I'm trying to say.
Right, right.
Right.
I understood your point. I think it's not a very good answer actually. I'll have to rework it.
It's not about good or bad. It's a very good space that you've created. It's just not fitting here perfectly.
Right.
Right. It's
Okay.
not fit for this particular situation. Right.
मैं याद रखूंगा इसको.
Yeah. Cool.
Right, sir.
Let's आगे बढ़ते हैं.
This is a narrative around the festival. Ka Baba, Joseph shook hands with Stephen as they met on the edge of the small ground. Stephen smiled and responded with the customary Ka Baba, and added, pointing to Joseph's bicycle leaning against the sal tree. I can see you have a new seat cover. Yeah, I got it today morning. Lauga karma ho be. This is the local slang for it's karma, man. So what is the plan? I must tell her the truth today. How do you plan to do that? You gutless creature. Stephen mocked at Joseph. Hey, what do you expect? I went to the forest today to pluck flowers with the group. Her friends would not leave her alone. And then her father was around too. How could I have approached her? Maybe I needed some fortification. Joseph sighed. I will get you some. Stephen signaled towards the young lady selling hadia. But if you fail today, you will be branded as a coward. Joseph and Stephen ensconced on the bricks in front of the hadia selling lady and smelled their glasses before gulping it down in one shot. They watched the young girls dancing rhythmically with the drum beats. One more, Joseph signaled to the lady. Don't get too drunk, Stephen warned. Joseph waved him off as he watched Angelina's lit body swaying rhythmically like a slow breeze hitting him on his face. Only that Angelina hit him deeper, inside his heart. You will see what I do today. The liquor made him confident. Time to go. Joseph got up laboriously. Stephen ordered another glass and shook his hand. All the best, friend. Joseph walked towards the dancing group, danced a few steps behind them, and then joined the circle, holding Angelina's hand with one and another woman's with his other hand. They moved in circles. He was ecstatic as he felt a hand in his own. He danced with abandon. He increased the tempo. The drummers and the group accompanied him. Joseph felt ecstasy as he saw Angelina smiling at him. He whispered softly, I love you, Ray. Will you meet me at the abandoned house tomorrow evening? I have a gift for you. He spoke in one breath. The universe faded and Angelina smiled at him. He felt dazed, ecstatic. He then tumbled and fell down. He could only see the stars now. Joseph opened his eyes and saw the large full moon. It was chilly. He recognized Stephen sitting beside him actually. What happened? Joseph mumbled as he managed to get up. Stephen handed him a glass of hadia. It was Angelina's mother on your left and the village dawn on your right side. Drink this. That's
Okay.
it, sir.
Okay, so this is very interesting. I have a couple of curious questions.
Yes,
Why Christian names? I mean, of course.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. This is a context. Actually, the place where I lived, Ranchi, there is Jharkhand. You will get lots of most are tribal population, and most of them are Christian converts. So you will get names like Stephen, Angelina, Joseph. It's very
Yeah.
common there. Anna and all.
Yeah.
It's very common
No,
names there.
I'm absolutely aware of what you're saying, but is this Karma festival a part of Christian community? Is what my question is.
No, yeah. See, this is where the religion and the community things join hands. You can say
Oh,
they can be
okay.
Christian, but they will still celebrate Karma. They
Right.
can be, technically
Okay.
Sarna religion. They will worship the nature, but they will still celebrate this.
So then maybe you could
Religion
have
doesn't
done.
come in between.
Maybe what you could have done is one character could have
Yeah.
been a different name, a more Adivasi name,
Acha,
a
okay.
more non-Christian Adivasi name kind of.
Okay, okay.
So then it would have been, what you're saying is would have come out very all the more because
Okay.
it's a part. It's the festival has no boundaries and everybody's it's
No
a part of-
religion is involved here. It's
Right,
basically the tribal thing that everybody participates in.
Yeah, true. अभी वो चीज मिसिंग अभी एंजेलिना भी है जोसेफ भी है स्टीफन भी है so सब ऐसा लग रहा है कि as if only the Christian Adivasis they celebrate so it's which is not
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. I could have added some tribal names or some Hindu names.
yeah not that
Right,
it is so important maybe but still why not if you can improve there.
Yeah, I think this is a good point. I'll remember this.
And one more thing, is it 300 words or a little more?
No, it is 400 words.
200
400.
400 ना हाँ तो
हाँ,
वो भी
थोड़ा
ज़्यादा है तो देखो once again I'm just reiterating myself. See, the idea is to curtail or get your stuff done in that limited resource. That's it. It's a very simple, clear-cut idea. They're looking for people who can stick to what the limitations or what the requirements are. You see, so we have to be very judicious, very careful about these things.
Yeah.
Okay? So nice. Of course, अगर और 200 word लिखता तो और अच्छा होता कुछ, ठीक है? But the idea is not to overwrite, right? The idea is to cut it down and make it to fit the requirement.
Right, sir.
ठीक है, I don't have
Right,
any
sir.
problem here. I think it's a very nice situation, space, story. Everything is there. Nice characters. Yeah.
So it's 8 o'clock. Samay
Thank you, sir.
Sharma, you always late, and that's why you never get the opportunity to read out your stuff. It's already 8 o'clock from tomorrow. Make sure that you send. You should be the first. You should compete with the Vatsala Saxena. She's the first lady who sent it by 1 o'clock, and that's why she's the opening batsman in past almost 10 to 15 classes. So this is a lesson for you to be on time. There is a difference. Very often I say the same analogy. Breakfast is known as a breakfast if you take it by 10 o'clock. If you take it at 1 o'clock, then it becomes lunch. And if you take it at 9 p.m., then it becomes a dinner. So you are a person who believes that breakfast should be taken at a time of a dinner. So please understand the difference. So this is the second and third time you are not able to read out your stuff, though you worked hard, but it has no meaning unless you get a feedback. So tomorrow, make sure that you send it before time so that you should be among first 2-3 people so that we should be able to read and give the comment to you. So it was nice hearing you, Abhinav. We'll connect again tomorrow. And I'm launching the poll now, so you can sign it off. Thank you very much.
Sorry, I missed it, sir.
I said you can sign it off now.
Oh,
and
okay.
this class is over. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. All the very best.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So mark your attendance, gentlemen. So 6 of 7, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7. One person is left. एक आदमी भूल गया है बटन दबाना. दबा दोगे तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं दबाओगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.